right, welcome to Options Tender. You guys, what a trading day today. We had lots of things going on. We're going to go over the SPX expected move. Then we'll put some lines on the screen. We have tons of names to run through. So we had some movers and some shakers and just a couple things that that didn't move the direction we wanted to. But I do want to mention before we move on, first of all, if you like this information, hit that like button, subscribe, and notify. So we have earnings. Microsoft earnings just blew out. It's pulling off the market. We think tomorrow that the market will continue to the upside. That's one of the big reasons why I think we sort of had a non-eventful day today, was anticipation of those earnings. And that's going to happen again when Apple and all the other big tech firms do the same. So just a note of that. I do not usually play earnings. I did play AMD's earnings with a limited risk play, and that's the in-out spread. The only difference, see, I'll put the card up there so you can click on the in-out spread. It's a real conservative play, and when you do that with the with earnings, you keep it on expiration for the 29th, but it mitigates all of those Greeks, the theta, the vega, so that's why we use that. Plus, it defines your risk at $1. In this case, it was 81 cents or so, whatnot. So, but they blew out earnings, and maybe we'll take a look at that if we have time. So let's get into it. We have tons of names, notable inside days, so many inside days because of our price action yesterday. Huge moves. We have Palantir inside day moving to the upside during the end of the session today. NEO, also the same. NEO inside day pushing off the 8MA, still bullish. Netflix coming down to the 8MA. We have support plus a gap. We are inside day. Fubo inside day pushing off of resistance, now support. Hopefully we'll push on to the upside. That's one of our larger positions there. Fubo. Laser kind of looking the same there. Came back to a little bit of a support. 8MA as well, inside day. Hopefully up tomorrow. Zoom was one of the names that, you know, really kind of disappointed us. We had to change our wave count within. So, you know, it looks like Zoom may come down back to the 20 before resuming to the upside. Sorry, I couldn't help that one. So, but luckily we had some other great winners. Snow, the same thing. Inside day on this one, but, you know, it came down, couldn't get above the 8MA. And so I do believe we're going to have a little bit more time on that one. It didn't push through our stop, but we're still keeping our eye to either get out of it or maybe a move coming soon. abnb. This one it held up all day long and then finally pushed at the end. So technically this is inside day out because we made new highs there. But we'll see how it acts tomorrow. We do have some sort of resistance here, but maybe we'll break out to the upside. I'm really like that'd be super bullish. Baba, again, that same thing. It was an inside day, just pushing around, and finally at the end, inside day up. So I think this one has some legs to go with it. And now for the big winner here. Workhorse pushed so far, and I think it has so much more to go. So we're staying in this name. We rolled our position to the upside. So I didn't roll it out. We're sticking with the 29th weekly, but I rolled it out, took profits on it, and rolled it into an out-of-the-money play with some of the profits. More of a lotto play, if you will. Now, here's another name that we went through, Bynd. We went through this one this morning. Yeah, it was flagging, and next thing you know, right before the opening, had a huge, like 40% move, just phenomenal. Now, we were not in this play. We missed this. We mentioned that this morning. We missed this one. And but we still didn't think we'd move like that. So I did in our conservative in-out spread play. Now, when price came down to somewhere around the 190 to 185 area, we put on an in-out spread 30 days out. So we have 30 days for this name to move just back up, maybe to its just back up. So, you know, that's a set it and forget it play. So we're not going to harp on that one. Okay. So after hours, let's see if we can push over. Let's go to the pre-market. Take a little time there. And let's check out Microsoft. After hours. Huge candle. So volatile. It came back down, went back up. We'll see how it ends up tomorrow. They blew out numbers, so I suspect they'll lead the market tomorrow. AMD. This is the one we played with the in-out spread. Looks like it broke out to the upside, came back down, so not really moving too much at this point. So we'll see how that looks in the morning. But thank you for joining us. There's all kinds of things that we could still go through, but we got to keep these videos pretty short here. And I want to thank everybody that I've been communicating with on Instagram and Twitter and comments on the YouTube. Really, really appreciate the contact, guys, and let me know what else I could do for you. And yeah, good luck trading tomorrow. Hit that like button, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.